And you can invest in the lockers as well. Oh my gosh. The more I do rappelling. Hey, thank you, girls.
No problem.
Yeah, nobody after them. Okay, cool.
Coming down.
Yeah, but you're saying Tom Cruise is richer than the
Sherry, where you saw the permits, Ranger, wait there.
I know, but how many people do you think are in Scientology? How many people do you think are in Scientology? It's not that much.
I'm getting old. I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Why am I getting old? I'm feeling old. Oops. This traffic jam again?